Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great and welcome to Angular series. In this tutorial I will show you how to style your Angular components. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your Visual Studio Code and create a project. If you don't have any project, you can create a project by using ng new and the name of the project, whatever the name you want. Then so this is the simple Angular project, which has one component, which is the default component, which is app component, as you can see, and it's empty. Here we have HTML file, here we have CSS file, here we have Spectre TS, which is for testing, and here we have our component app.component.ts. So in this video I'm going to show you how to style your component. For example, if I have a container, for example, if I have here for example paragraph lorem, if I have a paragraph, how to, for example, style our div and how to style our paragraph in Angular. It's very simple. There are many ways you can style your component. So the first one is you can actually select your HTML element in your app component.css. For example, here you can design, for example, I have a class which is container, and I can set, for example, weight and height, border, and background color. Let's run the project. Ng serve how it looks like. So it's compiled successfully. Let's let me localhost. As you can see, this is my div, which is class container, and I designed and I styled, my div. Inside my div I have for example, a paragraph. And now let's see how to design or how to style our paragraph. P, you can select the HTML and element, and now, for example, font weight bold and font size, for example, 25 pixel. Save it and see it. As you can see, I styled my paragraph by selecting the HTML element. This is the first way to style your component in Angular. So and also we have ng style, which is a structural directive. I explained a structural directive in the previous video. If you don't know how does it work, you can go and watch the videos, and then after that you will learn how to use ng style and ng class. So let's for example, let's add have another paragraph, or for example, let's have button click me. For example, let's style this button with ng style. Ng style, as I mentioned, structural directives by using by opening and closing the bracket. Inside that you should add ng style, and then this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis you can design, for example, this button should be, for example, background color, then colon, and then the value. background color should be, for example, blue or black. Blue, let's see. Save it. As you can see, this is my pattern. I styled with ng style. That's how you can also design or style your HTML element. This is the second way. And let's use ng class. Let me this, for example, if I have a class, I will define here. I have para, for example, background color should be, for example, this color, and the color of the text should be black, for example. Now let's use ng class to add this class in our HTML element. How we can do that? As you can see, we have also ng class and then the name of the class. Okay, and for example, let's add in this HTML element. Okay, ng class, and for example, what is the name of the class? Para, and the paragraph should have the background color of blue and the text should be black. Let's see, run. As you can see, the background color is this color, and the color of the text is black, as we define here para, say, as you can see. So there are 3 ways that we learned how we style our component or our HTML element. That's it. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.